Hey everyone, welcome to our newest listing that is gone live today. It is Tuesday. It is 20D Evergreen Way. And this beautiful 4-bedroom, 4-bath has got to be seen to be appreciated. Just giving you a little bit of a view of the community and the neighborhood. And then let's go inside and see what this beautiful unit has to offer. Let's go. Okay, now I want to talk to you a little bit about what's inside this beautiful property. So this property is just over 2 years old. It honestly shows like a show home. I don't know if the owners are even hardly living in here. And if they do, they are meticulous and the pride of ownership shows throughout. So, quartz countertops, vinyl flooring, fully finished up and down, over 1,400 square feet, 3.5 baths, 4 bedrooms. This unit here, I'm just going to show you around a little bit, but really it's gone live today and it's not going to last long. It's beautiful. Let's go take a look. There you go, everyone. I have shown you just a sneak peek of what this property has to offer and the upgrade, the quality, the cleanliness, location, everything. So if you want to see more, you know what you need to do. Give Shalane and I a call. It's live. We'd love to show it to you. And if you've been looking for a place like this that's move-in ready, perfect. Give us a call. Talk to you soon.